Welcome back to Little Maple English. I'm your teacher, Joanne. So today, we're going to talk about be verbs. So what are be verbs? Be verbs show state, identity, or description. So the present form of be is am, is, are, and past is was, were. So let's take a look at the examples of be verb. I am happy. She is a teacher. They are students. So you can see the be verbs are used after the subject. So let's take a look at different types of be verbs. So I can only be used with am. For example, I am tired. I am from the United States. Never say I is or I are. Remember, I's best friend is am. The next rule is that are is used with you, we, or they. For example, you are nice. We are ready. They are busy. Even though all different types of be verbs mean the same thing, depending on the subject, you have to use a different form of a be verb. He, she, and it is used with is. For example, he is tall. She is my friend. It is cold today. So let's take a look at more sentences of a be verb. In an affirmative sentence, the sentence structure is as follows. Subject, then be verb, and complement. For example, I am a student. She is happy. They are at home. So you see that subject come first, and then a be verb, and then a complement. Complement gives an information of a subject. Let's take a look at the negative sentences. So the sentence structure is as follows. Subject, be verb, and not, and complement. Complement gives more information of a subject. So for example, I am not tired. She is not late. They are not here. Lastly, let's take a look at yes/no questions. So the sentence structure is as follows. Be verb comes first and then subject and complement. You just have to switch the subject and the be verb's position. So be verb moves to the front of the sentence. Let's take a look at the examples. Are you ready? Is she your teacher? Am I late? So how do you answer these questions? You can answer by saying yes or no. Yes, I am. Yes, they are. No, I'm not. No, they aren't. Let's practice. It could all be in an affirmative sentence. So here are the answers. I am tired. She is my sister. They are at school. We are ready. So let's take a look at the summary. So with I, make sure to use with am. He, she, it is with is. You, we, they are used with are. So be verbs describe who you are, how you feel, and where you are. That's it for today, and I can't wait to see you next class. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye!